Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? Welcome and welcome back, depending on which category you're in. I am here with a product review. This was sent to me and asked for me to do a review. I don't get any money or anything like that for it, but I did get the product to give my honest opinion. And this is the MONVICT full-size hot glue gun. I've had it, I guess, about 2 weeks because we had spring break at work and we were all shut down, so vacation time, so and then I'm trying to get organized this week. Hadn't had a chance to do anything with it, and I don't have an immediate project that I need a glue gun on, which is weird because I need a glue gun and been needing one, and but I don't have a project at this moment. But so I've been trying to think of what to do, and I'm really busy, but I want to go ahead and get this done because I've had, like I said, probably I guess now for about 2 weeks and I haven't had a chance. So it comes in the box, and I broke the box. That was me. It comes with your instructions, and of course, you know, you want to make sure that you're an adult because this is a very hot item, as all glue guns are, and you can get burned. So this is not for people under 18. And so it comes with glue sticks, and I believe you said it was 10 for, oh, sorry, 12. You get 12 glue sticks in here. And then you have standard kind of ones that you see that sometimes the Dollar Tree have these, not that often, but I have seen them there. But you know, Walmart always has these, so you can find them pretty much anywhere. And so I'm sorry about any noise of me open it up. But I wanted you to see, and I've dropped this already. So it comes with a quick little card on how to use it. So, as with any glue gun, when you heat it up, you know, sometimes you get a little smoke. That's something new. So it comes with a cord. You get your little prongs right here, and this is it's not too heavy. You got to plug it right in there, and then I'm going to plug it into my extension cord. I have nearby. It says 1 to 3 minutes. Right here, mine was already in on position, but you press it at the top. That's 80 at the bottom. It's 120 watts. So you can tell it's hotter either way. So let me let it sit. It feels very sturdy and safe. It also comes with your little silicone thumb covers, and 3 of them, 3 different sizes, either different size hands or different fingers. So probably the thumb, or maybe a man's hand, because you don't know who's going to use this. And then, which one's the next one? Maybe this one. And this one. Oops, I did it wrong. Don't know which finger's next, right? This one's a little tight. Well, not tight, a little small. But anyway, you get the point. So this is there to protect your fingers. Oh, when you want to push something down, you know, I'm notorious for doing that. Oh, I forgot to put my glue stick in there. I'm so busy doing this. Hold on. My bad. I didn't put the glue stick in. Sorry. Now one thing, let's see what else we have over here. So this is also rechargeable, which is pretty cool. So like I said, it gives you pictures, and it gives you the written word, and it gives you the pictures. It's all in English. Although I think this came from China, it's all in English. So it says 1 to 3 minutes, and then you can start your project. You can detach the cord. So this is chargeable, which is pretty cool. So you can make it cordless, which I really do like that. Which I've never had like a cordless gun where I can walk somewhere across the room and do that. So again, 1 to 3 minutes to get it heated up, and you can do that. And of course, it also comes with the warnings, which you also want to make sure you take care of those whenever you're doing this. And again, this is not for a minor. You can get burned very seriously. So it's always nice to have a mat. Did I pull up my mat? I sure didn't. I have not crafted in a couple of weeks. I have been organizing stuff and doing some other stuff that I need to get done. my daughter's in town, and so that just right there, that's a distractor. My daughter and grandson is here, so I've just not been doing stuff. So I just put out some of this Dollar Tree paper to that, you know. Sorry about the sound. It's like after midnight, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And I gotta get up and go to work in the morning. I'm like, I need to do something real quick. So I'm gonna pull out a piece of paper. This is some old recollection flowers. I'm just gonna glue something up here and see. These flowers are so old. I might get some different flowers. They're not gonna come off. But I just want to see how it works and, you know, show you and ask, you know, let you know in case you're looking for something. Because as a crafter, well, you may not have a project at the moment because I haven't crafted in 2 weeks. I will need a glue gun. I mean, that's a staple in any crafter's room. If you're a paper crafter, that is. I mean, even if you're not a paper crafter, you know, you can use this around the house for other things. There's so many different things that you can use a glue gun for. So I'm just going to glue a couple things, random things on a piece of paper. But I just want to see how it adheres. You know, the stringy. That was the problem I was having with my last glue gun. It was just, you know, being so messy. And I'm looking for my silicone mat, which literally, like, where is it at? That's one thing I hate about organizing. You start doing something and you can't find nothing. Like, tear up the mess up. I mean, tear up the thing up. Anyway, one thing I will say, now it doesn't have a fine tip, but it does have your standard nozzle. So it doesn't have like an extra skinny one, but, oops, oh, it's already ready. So it heats up really fast, and this is at 80 watts. So, I'm going to see how it does at the low temp, because to me, I usually use my stuff on high temp. I just took out my own. Where's the thumb? Let's see. Okay. Let me get one of these. See how it is. But it comes out very nicely. So I like that. Alright. And this is at 80, and it's really, you know, just been like 2 minutes maybe. So let's see. Boom. Now let's try it at, I'm going to heat it up to 120. And then I'm just glue this down. But it's lightweight, it feels sturdy, it feels like I thought it was going to fall. This is bumpy. This old mat is out of shape and warped, but it still sits very sturdy. I like that. You know, so that's good. The trigger's easy to use. Alright, I'm not going to wait for so long. So let's put this down here. I stuck it in the glue. And let's see. A little bit of string, but you know, I expected it. It's still not as hot as it could get. Alrighty. Okay, that little piece, I can tell it's stuck very nicely up. Because in order to get it off, I'm going to have to rip. That stuck really nice. I like that. Okay. This too. So some really strong glue, nice adhering. And of course, you know, when you get those little strings like that, if you have a heat gun, blow dryer, just heat it just a little bit, some air around it. Your glue gets moist again, and then you can move it if you need to move your project. I remember the first time I figured that one out, I was like, that's why I used to hate glue guns, because I was like, if you get it glued down, you can't move it. And then I saw somebody say, oh, reheat it, and then you can move it. And I was like, oh, duh, reheat it, and you can get the strings off it. Reheat it, and you can move it over. And that saved many a project when I learned that one out. So anyway, I just want to say that I got this off from Amazon. Like I said, this was sent to me free for review. I didn't make any money. I didn't get paid any money to do this advertisement or anything like that. But I will have the link below and everything that you can go check it out and get this from off of Amazon if you're interested. You know, everybody needs a nice glue gun. I love the fact that it is chargeable. So you can unplug it and take it with you somewhere else and still use it. So the longer you keep it plugged, it's like it charges it up to keep it longer, you know. And then of course you got your little lights on the back. I don't know if you can see that. There's two, one is red and one is yellow, to let you know that it's heating up. And again, like I said, it came with 12 glue sticks and 3 of your silicone thumb grippers, whatever you want to call them. And it's rechargeable. So this again is the MONVICT. It comes with instructions. Full-size hot glue gun. And I believe it was $24.99. I think that's what it was. So the voltage is 80 and 100, and the power is 80 and 120 watts. Voltage is 110 to 240. And you use a 4.25 to 4.52 glue sticks. So full size. Regular nozzle. So be sure to check them out. The link will be below, and it adheres very nicely. So again, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.